Welcome back, guys. Silvester up here has been grumbling of late. He's been a little jealous of all the attention the other Jeeps are getting, so he started misfiring, and just kind of putting around, just kind of a little grumpy at me. So he's got a little bit of an attitude, so we're hoping we're just going to throw some like his favorite treats, some plugs right at him. Hopefully he'll accept them as a little peace offering, so we're just going to put some fresh plugs in him. Hopefully he runs better, no more grumbling, and yeah. Give them a little more attention. So let's go ahead and put those spark plugs in. It should be only 6 of them, right? Yeah, we're just gonna throw those in there, give them a little attention, and let's get it done. Got the spark plugs out. He hasn't put up too much of a fuss because he's kind of a little numbed up, so we can't really tell right now. But so hopefully we can put the other ones in and he'll be happy. So yeah, let's put the other ones in. Alrighty, we got it all buttoned up in there. He's a little bit happier, but I don't think he's in the perfect mood, so there's something else up with him we're gonna have to figure out. So, yeah, well, thanks for joining me on trying to make him a little bit more happy. You know how cars are a little cranky nowadays. Yeah, don't give me that attitude. But yeah, new video right there, or latest video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya. Also wanted to quickly say the merch is now live, so I have some hoodies, shirts, and hats that you guys can get. I've started out simple. I'll definitely spruce up the designs later. But yeah, you can get the link right here or in the description below. Check it out. If you want to support me a little bit, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, I enjoy it, and hopefully you guys too. So yeah, enjoy, guys.